My name's WL Laney. Take a minute and let me tell how you can earn a six-figure income selling haircutting scissors. You don't have to be a born salesman. The ability to sell ice to Eskimos is actually a detriment. A genuine concern for the needs of your prospect is a far better characteristic. In his book, Selling with Ease, the four-step sales cycle found in every successful sales transaction, Chris Murray said, "We all need salespeople who understand the problem and can deliver a solution that works brilliantly for both sides." There are 7 critical factors I have found in more than 50 years of selling products and services. Over the term of my working career, I have sold insurance, real estate, privately held businesses, and other miscellaneous products and services. As a life and health insurance agent in the early 1970s, I ranked in the top 10 salesmen nationally for a well-known insurance company, even though I was working part-time. My first job as a real estate agent was in an office with a total of 10 salespeople. The first year, I outsold the other 9 salespeople combined. As a business broker, merger and acquisition specialist, I consistently beat the national averages in sales and return for the business seller. Some people can indeed sell ice to Eskimos. They are slick salespeople with a formula for overcoming every objection to selling an overpriced product or something the customer neither needs nor wants. In junior high school, I had an experience that gave me the impression I was a great salesman. In truth, I unknowingly stumbled upon these 7 critical steps to successful selling. It was not until years later I discovered the truth about my early success and how to replicate that success in any industry. The high school band instructor needed an extra body for the marching band. He asked me if I would be willing to play for the high school band. Are you kidding? Of course I would. I'd be delighted to move up to the high school band. Not only did he need an extra body for the marching band, but the band needed new uniforms. There was no money budgeted for the new uniforms, so the instructor decided on selling 50-cent candy bars to raise the needed money. This was in the days of 10-cent soda pop and 5-cent candy bars. At the time, I was living in an abusive home with an alcoholic mother and stepfather. As a result, I'd do anything to get out of going home. When the band leader announced the candy bar sale would include a prize for the most sales, I jumped on it. Most of the band members checked out 3 candy bars. 1 for Mom, 1 for Aunt Susie, and 1 for Grandma. I borrowed a bicycle with a basket on it and checked out candy bars by the case. Every day after school, I rode the borrowed bike up and down the streets of our town, knocking on doors and selling candy bars to raise money for band uniforms. Yes, you guessed it. I won the competition. The part that confused me about my ability was that I outsold the entire band combined. I must have been a born salesman, right? The truth was, I had used 6 of the 7 critical factors for successful selling. Number 1, start with a need. Ruth Stafford Peale coined the phrase, find a need and fill it. Well, the need was, band needed uniforms. Number 2, find a product or service that meets the needs. The proceeds from our candy bar sales would pay for the uniforms. 3, locate your target audience. The townspeople understood the need to raise money for the uniforms and were more than willing to buy an overpriced candy bar to help the band. Number 4, find an affordable way to reach your audience. Well, the band instructor used the band members to sell candy bars to their family. I used a borrowed bicycle to reach people up and down the streets of our town. Number 5, educate your prospect. Why purchase an overpriced candy bar? Well, that was easy. 1, everybody likes chocolate, and 2, most were willing to help the high school band. 6, make the sale. Take the order. I did it more than anyone else. For me, it was desperation. Anything to get out of going home to a beating from my stepfather. Number 7, follow up to assure customer satisfaction. Well, I neglected to follow up, but it was a one-time project. I was not building a career as a fundraiser for high school bands. As a child, I had no idea I won the contest by following these 7 critical factors for successful sales. I thought I just worked harder than anyone else. Now, let me show you how you can follow these 7 critical factors to build a successful 6-figure income selling hair scissors to the stylists and barbers in your community. Number 1, let's start with the need. Scissors are the most important tool for hairstylists and barbers. Like most everything else in life, there is a wide range of quality available. Cheap scissors made with an inferior quality steel will not stand the test of time. A poorly designed pair of scissors can make the haircutter's job even more difficult. You know what it's like trying to do a job with the wrong tool. Number 2, find the product and or service. My company, Diamond Rose Shears, has both products and services to solve the haircutter's needs. We have manufacturing companies to supply our proprietary scissors brand, the Musashi and Sayuri shears, with an affordable quality shear in many styles and lengths. That means we can provide the hairstylists and barbers in your area with the right tool made with top quality steel at an affordable price. On the service side, I invented the Diamond Rose Superior Sharpening System. This patent-protected sharpening machine restores dull or damaged scissors to the original factory specification. Number 3, locate your target audience. Well, this one's easy. There seems to be a beauty salon or barbershop on every street corner. The database we use lists 47,156 barbershops and 230,380 beauty salons in the United States. Number 4, find an affordable way to reach your audience. This is where it gets to be fun. There is no complicated or expensive marketing campaign necessary to reach your prospect. You don't even need to set an appointment. During normal business hours, your prospect is standing behind the barber or styling chair in their open door establishment. Just drive down the street and stop at each beauty salon and barber shop. Inside each shop, you will find 1 to 5 or more prospects cutting hair, and they are willing to talk to you about the new pair of scissors or having the ones they're using sharpened. Number 5, educate your prospect. Education is the missing link for the ice salesman. Over the years, I've attended many sales training programs teaching me how to overcome objections. Brian Tracy hit the nail on the head when he said, treat objections as requests for further information. Your prospect needs to understand how your solution will solve their problem. Hairstylists and barbers need quality tools, scissors. They need quality sharpening for the maintenance of those scissors. We will provide you with the training and knowledge about the shears and our sharpening service. It's not too difficult for you to understand. You can learn enough to get started if you will just spend a weekend reading our training materials and watching our videos. Let me inject here now. I am not looking for ice salespeople willing to take advantage of our customers, pushing them into purchasing something they don't want or need. I am looking for people who understand the needs of the professional hairstylists and barbers and are willing to show them how our products and services can meet those needs. Number 6, make the sale. Take the order. Put your sample shears in the prospect's hands. Educate them about the quality and functionality. Then you can offer a small cash discount or an interest-free payment plan. Our scissors are premium quality, already priced up to 30% or more below the competition. Number 7, follow up to assure customer satisfaction. Your customer will appreciate the fact you care about their needs. As a company, we stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty. We ask you to make sure they have the right tool for the best job. Oh, there is an important serendipity that comes with your follow-up effort. Other stylists and barbers will purchase from you when they see you offering the customer service that has become an oxymoron in today's marketplace. I'm sorry I can't be there with you face to face today. I will, on the other hand, be happy to visit with you on Skype or on the phone to answer any of your questions. This is a great business. Our target audience consists of a great bunch of people. We have the products and services they need. Join us today, helping the hairstylists and barbers in your hometown with all their scissors and scissor sharpening needs. My name is WL Laney. My number is 303-217-8660 at the office or 602-684-7170 for my cell phone. Join me. Let's make money together helping other people excel.